So this is like a trunk wall.
Yeah.
So you sealed it off and all.
Yeah, I sealed it off so it'll be like a display in the back.
Yep. Down for sound posted up all kind of shit about this field.
How you doing? Is it good?
Yeah, oh, it sounds good, Jacob. I liked it.
Can I get a demo? Oh, this is big speakers.
It got crossfire 4K.
Oh, you good? Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Oh, V-Man, 2 ZV5s on a 4K. Crossfire L.
What size?
4K.
4K, okay.
I'm clipping like
5,000 watts.
5K.
Wow. This looks really good.
Hey, the man built it right there, man.
Really? Wow. So this is like a trunk wall.
Yeah.
So you sealed it off and all.
Yeah, I sealed
Very
it off
nice.
so it'll be like a display in the back.
Nice.
So I can still, play my music.
And this is a 8-inch port or a 10?
10.
Is that a 10-inch port?
No, that's an 8.
An 8. Wow.
It's just the newer, wider player on it.
Very nice.
Yeah.
What is it? What is that tuned to?
32.
32 hertz. Okay. Nice. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Man, V, man.
V. Everybody,
Yeah.
give him a like. Give a like for
Look
V.
me up on Instagram, Chuck_Gang30.
Gang
I'm there.
All right.
And don't forget your loud grandpa.
Loud Grandpa built.
I said, I'm not giving demos today, but I got people with fields doing it.
That's right.
How many half hours has that left in it? It looks like about 100 amp hours. I think it is. It looks like.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.